Hello, instructions for the mortgage amortization payment schedule. This one's a template, so there is no workbook to open. So what you'll do is go to search and type Excel, and then do not choose blank workbook, choose new. And then just type mortgage in the search box. I recently did already do that, so it's coming up, but I can type it again. And then enter, and it shows me what's available. So you only have to do one, and the two that work best is this one right here, the mortgage loan calculator and the mortgage payment calculator. You only need to do one, but in the instructions I'm going to do both. So mortgage loan calculator, I'll click it, and then if I see this and I have a little description, if I'm not sure, I could look at the other ones. But if you're satisfied, go ahead and choose create. And I'm going to use the information. This is showing a loan payment, monthly loan payment of $1,000.74 based on this. But I'm going to use the information that we did for the house for that $519,000. So the purchase price, I'll just type right in there, $519,000, and the interest rate is at 3.875%. It does round it. If you want, you can see it in the formula bar, it's showing the full 3.875. But if you want, you can increase the decimal place to see it all. Now this one's based on 30 years, so it's 360. Our sample one was for 15 years, so that would be 180 loan payments. The loan amount, we put down 115,000, so the loan amount was 404,000. And there you can see the actual monthly loan payment that we had on the previous one was $2,963. And then you also see your total monthly payments, total loan amount, total interest paid. And then if you wanted to see your amortization schedule where we had to type it before, you just click it and it brings you right to it on the same workbook. And it shows you per year what year one. And again, because you're making 180, it's going to go all the way to 180. And it shows what's your beginning balance, your ending balance, what was paid in interest, principal, property tax, and so forth. So that's a sample of that. So that's a save and submit. Now I'm going to go right to the other one just to show you a different version. So I'm going to choose new, and I'm going to choose this one here, mortgage payment calculator, and then choose create. And for this one, the loan amount, and this is giving you three options if you wanted to view them with different interest rate or different loan amounts. But I'm just going to stick to option one. So the loan amount is $404,000. The interest is 3.875%. And the total number of years is 15. And you'll see here it is, the total monthly payment and what you end up paying for interest paid, and the so it's a breakdown of that. If you wanted to put in different loan amounts for option 2 and 3, you can also do a 4 and 5 and change the annual interest rate, or maybe the loan term, just to compare to see how it changes. So let's say we did this one, the same amount, 404,000. We'll do the same interest rate, but let's say instead of for 15 years, we did it for the full 30. So on that one, the loan payments are much less, almost $1,000 less, but you're also paying it for 15 more years. So, and then look what you end up paying on interest. This is for 15 years. It's almost tripled what you would pay because you're doing it for 30 years. So you definitely want to do it in the least amount of time so it's cheaper in the end. So either one is correct that you can submit and turn in for this assignment. And if you're really nosy, you can look around at all the different formulas. If you look in the formula bar. And that's a save and submit. Thank you.